Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. In the last video, we discussed the basic concept and introduction of the AngularJS, which one must know before starting with the AngularJS practicals. And in this video, we will be discussing the installation, the downloading and using the Angular file in your project with the demos. So to download the AngularJS file, we need to go to a browser. So let's move to a browser and search for angularjs.org. So it's loading. So we have two buttons here, try the new Angular, and second is the download AngularJS. We will be using this download AngularJS. So when you click on it, it will open a pop-up for you which says which branch do you need and which build do you need. So we will be downloading the minified file, and the branch is 1.6x latest, and this is a CDN link. This is a content delivery network. If you have a good internet, you can directly access the AngularJS file from the internet. Otherwise you can download it, and it has a browse additional module link. So clicking on it, uh, it will show all the files that are downloading with this AngularJS. Like it has cookies files, Angular routes, and AngularJS file itself, Angular minified file. So let's download the AngularJS file. Clicking on this will open again pop-up for you. So I'm gonna save it. So after our AngularJS file is downloaded, so see here we have downloaded the file. So let's move to a project. I have created an AngularJS tutorial project in Visual Studio. This is an empty project right now, and we are going to include the JS file first. So let's in the script folder, so this is a script folder, let's add the scripts. I want to add the existing item, and in the desktop, this is what we downloaded, angular.min file. As you see, we have downloaded the angular.min.js file. So this is minified version, and I have created a page that's a practical one: installation, setup and working. So let's open this page. So this is an empty page right now which has just a title. So let's see how to include this file. So in the head folder, I'm gonna dragging this and dropping this file. So this is what is included right now. So this script src is scripts angular.min.js. This is taking the file from this script folder, and we were discussing about the CDN link. So if you want to include the CDN, so maybe you can use script src is equal to, so you can copy this link and paste it here. So if you are including this, then you don't need to include this, because this will be taken from the CDN link. So we have downloaded, and let's use this file. After including the JS file in our project, we can start with the first practical of AngularJS. So to start with the AngularJS practical, we must know the directives, the main directives of the AngularJS. Like we have ng app, ng init. So as you all know, these are the directives as I have covered in the last video. So all the directive must have a prefix with ng. So let's discuss about the ng app prefix again. So we will be including ng app in the body tag. So this directive tells that AngularJS that this is the first element of the AngularJS application. This is the root element. So without this root element, we cannot use the features of the AngularJS. And this root element can be only included at one time. If you include in more than one time, then first element that where you have declared it will be taken as a base. So this is like ng app is equal to module name. So we will be using this module name in the later videos. For this video, we can make it empty. So we are good with the ng app, and then we can start with the using the features of the AngularJS. So let's create a div element, and my first expression. So Angular variables will be declared in the curly brackets, two curly brackets, open brackets, and two close brackets. Within them, within that we can use the AngularJS variables. So let's say 10 multiplied by 10. So let's see the result of it. Let me again run the browser. So when it is running, so see my first expression is the result of 10 multiplied by 10 is 100. We gonna removing this ng app for a minute, and we'll see the result. As I've told you that this ng app is the root element, and without this our application will not run the AngularJS features. So let's save it and go to the browser. Here I'm going to refresh it. So it's just showing me my first expression. So this is just taking the HTML of it, not evaluating it, because evaluation was the feature of the AngularJS, and we have removed now the ng app. So let's again apply that ng app and again refresh the application. So this is evaluated. Great. So this was the first expression of the AngularJS. In this video we see the downloading of AngularJS file, including it in your project, and the first expression. And in the coming videos we will be studying about the modules, controllers. So stay in tune. Thank you.